Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Just woke up. As you can see, it's still overcast. Skies, looks like it's raining a little bit. Still feeling the effects of the hurricane Delta, but you know, it's all good. Quick little introduction if you're new to the channel. My name's Evan, Mr. Cayman, from Canada, but living in Grand Cayman for the past 5 years. My wonderful fiance Gabby here, she's from Honduras. Alright guys, that's the introduction over. Let's get back to the story. So, just outside, just taking the views. As you can see, it's overcast, but most of the storm has passed us. Let's see if we get a better view from the other side. You can see the dump. Yeah, so a lot of cars have left this morning, so people are back to work, which is good. Seems like the worst of this is over, guys. Just having some morning coffee, just waking up, getting my bearings right. But I just want to thank all my supporters who've recently joined, who've been watching my content for quite some time now. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned for more from Grand Cayman.